Hey there. Today we're going to learn how to multiply using the standard algorithm. And standard algorithm really is just a fancy way of saying the traditional method of multiplying. And in the traditional method of multiplying, I set my numbers up where the smaller number is on the bottom. And I'm going to take that smaller number and I'm going to multiply it times each one of the numbers above it. And I'm going to do that separately, starting in the ones place. So I have the first problem, 4 times 2. Well, that's 8. So I can write 8 right below the 2 and the 4. Then I'm going to multiply 4 times the next number, which is 3. And 4 times 3 is 12. However, I can't write 12 together down below here. Similarly to if I were adding, I would have to carry the second digit over to the next place. So instead of writing 12, I'm going to write the 2 down below, and I'm going to carry the 1 up above the next place. Now, when I carry that 1, I like to write a little plus sign next to it, because what I really need to do with that 1 is I'm going to add 1 to the product of 4 and 4. So I'm going to continue with my multiplying, and I'm going to do 4 times 4, which is 16. Then I'm going to add any numbers that I have up here that I had carried from the previous spot. So in this case, 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 would give me 17. So 17 would come down here. Now, since there are no more digits out here, I can bring my 1 directly down, because really, if I put a 0 out in front, I could bring that 1 as a plus 1 up here, but really it would just be 4 times 0, which is 0, plus 1, which would be 1. So I don't need to carry that 0 when I'm at the final stage. All I need to do is bring down the entire number together, and my final answer would be 1,728. Let's look at another example. All right, in this example, 5,362 times 6. Again, I'm writing my smaller digit on the bottom, and I'm going to take that digit and multiply it against each number that we have on top, starting in the ones place. All right, 6 times 2 is 12. Again, I'm going to put the 2 down below, and then I'm going to put the plus 1 up here. So that would be my 12 that I just wrote down here. Then I'm going to continue multiplying. 6 times 6 would give me 36, plus that 1 would give me 37. So I'm going to write my 7 down here, and now I'm going to write plus 3 up here, and that would be 37 above my next place. Continuing multiplying, 6 times 3 would give me 18, but I need to remember to add what I carried over, so 18 plus 3 would give me 21. So I'm going to bring my 1 down below, and plus 2 up above the next spot. And now I have 6 times 5, which is 30. 30 plus 2 would give me 32. So my answer would be 32,172. Let's do one more example. In this example, we'll do 8,713 times 5. Okay, again, I am taking 5 and I am multiplying it against each number that I have in my top number. So starting with 5 times 3. 5 times 3 gives me 15. I bring the 5 below, and I'm going to do a plus 1 up here for 15. Moving along, 5 times 1 gives me 5, plus 1 gives me 6. I don't have anything to carry over to the next one, so I'm just going to multiply it normally. 5 times 7 is 35. So I put a 5 down here and plus 3 up above. And 5 times 8 is 40 plus 3 would give me 43. So I come up with an answer of 43,565.